Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to use a bunch of my leftover paint and pour them onto this 12 by 16 canvas. I've already covered it with, I guess it's Artist Loft white for my base. And what I'm going to do, I guess you would call it like a giant ribbon pour, because I'm just going to pour it randomly on the canvas. Usually my paints don't have any silicone mixed in, but I mixed them in cups with 2 drops of the Spot On Treadmill lubricant, which is pure silicone, into each cup. Here's the Spot On if you guys have never seen it. This stuff lasts forever. I've had this bottle for about 8 months now and I haven't even used a quarter of it yet. So let's get started. Here's my tray of paints. I have about 13 different colors in here, which I will put in my video description. I've actually never done anything like this before. It's a great way to get rid of leftover paint. Tilt this a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit there for a moment and see what cells come up, and then I'll torch it. I want to tilt it a little bit far this way. Got some nice cells coming up there. Okay, let's torch it and see what we have. Getting as many cells as I'd like. I think I'm going to try some Rain-X on this. This is the Rain-X original formula. Make sure you get the original formula. The other one that they have that has the ammonia or alcohol in it doesn't work very well. So all you need is a spritz or 2 and you'll get instant cells. A difference. Do one more spritz. That stuff is flammable, so if you are going to use it, I wouldn't recommend using a torch, but I would like to live dangerously, so I'm going to use one. Don't try this at home, folks. Wow. Instant cells. Pretty crazy. I'm just taking a skewer and going over the random drops of paint. Try to connect them and make it look part of the painting. Maybe a few swirls here and there. I just can't seem to let well enough alone. I don't know about you guys, but I love to manipulate the paint. I don't know if all these little tiny swirls will still be there when it dries, but it's worth a try. This is the way you create some interest in your painting. I could probably do this for hours, but I'm going to stop soon before I go too far. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there. Well, I want to thank you all for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. See you next time. Bye.